Hey, what's up, Holochain holders? So, what's my prediction to Holochain is moving up in upcoming days or moving fails down? My friends, what's the next target of Holochain? What's my opinion to sell, hold, or buy? Everything in this video gone very special and very important video, my friends. Be honestly, only 4% people subscribe on our YouTube channel. Kindly be honestly subscribe our YouTube channel. Please hit my 10k subscriber. I hope you complete my 10k subscriber. Kindly subscribe it. Thanks for subscription, my brother. My brother, if you can see here in the last 7 days, this is the last 7 days chart. You can see here the latest price is 0.020809 US dollar. My friend, first of all, I draw a chart and then we understand to this is moving off time or they fails down in upcoming days. You exactly understand. Okay, with guarantee, which I tell you, my friend, they are gone up in upcoming days, my friend. You can see here at this point, they very badly falls down, my friend. You can see here, this is the first line, this is the second line. After a very high jump, they take again fails, my friends. They take a dump. Absolutely, they fails down, but after a fails down, they take again very high jump, and after a high jump, they fails down again, my friend. And after this fails, they take again very high jump, and after this jump, they take again very fails down, my friend, very badly dump. And I hope in upcoming days they also take a very high jump, my friend, and they going up in the moon, my friends. They going up. Exactly, this is the circulation, my friends. Please note what I tell you. This point, the start of point, if you can see here, this point number 1, and this is point number 2, my friend, and this is point number 3, my friend. Remember, this is point number 4, and this is point number 5, and this is point number 6, my friend. Please, I hope the second point number 7 as my friend as very high, and this is 0.12 US dollar. They can easily hit it 0.1200809 US dollar, my friend. What you say, can they can hit it? I hope they can hit it, my friend. Very high target, but I hope just at the end of month they can hit it, my friend. Remember, my friend, every crypto coin is moving off and like a circulation. You can see here this type. You can see here after a jump they fails down, and after a fails down they take a jump. So this is the circulation of every cryptocurrency, and continuously, if you can see here, if they go and this process, then exactly they can hit it 0.12 US dollar, my friend. So what you say? My prediction is there to in upcoming days they moving up. Please, my opinion as there. This is not a financial video. Remember, I just advise you, my friends, if you want to invest and this time Holochain, exactly research personally. This is good for you, my friend. My friends, Holochain give you very good profit in upcoming days. Please hold it, don't sell it, and if you have any plan to buy more, than exactly this is good time to you buy it. Kindly buy it and hold it and wait for the end of this month. They give you very good profit. Be honestly subscribe our YouTube channel. Keep touch with us, my friends. The target is very high. This is very high target, but I hope in upcoming days they can hit it. 0.12 US dollar is the target. Remember. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for latest news and updates.